I'm Denise Joy, and I believe that anyone can make their home custom on a budget in one weekend or even less. In one weekend, using paint, repurposed furniture, a few budget-friendly new and secondhand purchases, along with some good old DIY sweat equity from the homeowner, I sprinkle my magic pixie dust, creating beautifully curated spaces. Trust me, it's not just a room makeover, it transforms your life. In every episode, I give you a backstage pass to see it all. The prep, the process, and the dramatic before and after reveal. How did I go from this to this? Let me show you how.